Hey, what's up guys, Fahzman here, and today's video I am going to talk about how to take your Instagram stories to the next level. There are 1,000 ways to create Instagram stories, but a dedicated Instagram story editing app with Instagram story template would be an even better choice. Foco Design is one such platform that takes away the hassle of creating and crafting your stories from scratch. You just pick up a ready-made template and create a cool story that will look quite appealing to your followers. Let's take a deep look into what exactly the Foco Design Instagram story editing app is and how it works. The link of this app is available in the video description. The app welcomes you with an intuitive interface. The Foco Design Instagram story editor offers over 10,000 templates. The app allows for adding videos and photos together in a video. It also incorporates a background remover. For videos, you can find a mixer in the video editor of Foco Design. There is a huge number of Instagram tips and tricks to create beautiful stories, but I have to admit that those tricks are not as simple or easy to follow. This is the hassle that Foco Design aims to kill. You can pick up a template of your choice and replace the photo or video inside that template. The text over a template can be changed. Once you have created your custom story, you can export it to your phone's gallery and share it on Instagram. It provides countless templates and graphics that you can fit your stories into. No matter what kind of stories you want to make, you will find the appropriate and relevant templates in Foco Design. They also have cutout section. Here you can select any template and replace the images, and you can also remove the background of your product easily. For example, I choose this template and click on edit. Then click on add to add the photos in the template. Now if I want to remove the background of this photo, just select it and click on remove. It will automatically remove the background of the photo within few seconds. Now I select the bag and delete it. You can also change the color of the background. Simply drag and drop to adjust it. You can also edit the text if you want. To save it to your phone gallery, click on save. They also have photo and video editor. Click on photo and select the photo which you want to edit. Here are also different templates which you can select. Just click on the template, it will apply on your photo. You can also crop the photo if you want. Plus you can also add stickers to your photos. Here is also option of watermark. You can add watermark to your photos. Select any watermark and click on it to edit its name and adjust it where you want. You can also edit your videos with it. Select the video which you want to edit. If you want to remove any unnecessary part from the video, click on clip, then click on divide. Now select the clip which you want to delete and press on the delete button. To add the text, click on text. Here are different text styles. Select the one you like and write whatever you want. It's so simple and easy to use. After this, you can also add music to your video. Click on audio and select the music which you want to add to your video. Here are also number of stickers which you can add to your videos. If you click on effects, there are many effects which you can apply to your videos to make it more attractive and eye-catching. Select the effect which you want to apply and that's it. After this, you can also add watermark to your video. Select any template to add it to your video. Once done, click on save to save it to your phone gallery. In the video section, we have a lot of video templates even for TikTok videos. You can choose any template and simply press on the edit button and replace the images and text. You can customize it according to your wish. They also have YouTube story templates, YouTube thumbnail, intro and outro for your YouTube videos and YouTube covers. Every template is beautiful and nicely designed. The app is loaded with templates for different business. Depending on what kind of marketing you are into, you can find an appropriate template. Not only that, but the app also offers covers for story highlights. Different templates are categorized nicely for the user to easily pick them up. So Focal Design is the must-have tool for your Instagram, which has massive templates and tools for you to create amazing Instagram story. So the link of this app is available in the video description, so must give it a try. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment on below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.